Best Type-C audio adapter cables ensure clear sound, stable connections, fast charging support, and broad device compatibility. My today's video is about top 5 best Type-C audio adapter cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ULT-WIKE 3.3-foot nylon braided USB-C to USB. The ULT-WIKE USB-C to USB-C cable stands out as a premium all-in-one solution for charging, data transfer, and display connectivity. With support for up to 240 WPD 3.1 fast charging, it easily powers laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other USB-C devices while remaining backward compatible with lower wattage standards. This makes it a practical choice for users who want one cable for multiple devices. Its 20 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 transfer speed is impressive, allowing large files, photos, and videos to move in seconds. It's especially useful for creators using SSDs, iPads, MacBooks, or the iPhone 15 series for fast backups and transfers. Video performance is another strong point, supporting up to 8K at 30 Hz and 4K high refresh rates, making it excellent for gaming monitors, workstations, or entertainment setups. Durability is equally impressive with a braided exterior, aluminum shell, nickel-plated connectors, and built-in e-marker chip for safer charging. After 20,000 plus bend tests, it's designed for long-term reliability. Overall, this cable offers outstanding speed, versatility, and durability in one package. Now our second product is ZeroTech USB-C cable 3 feet. The ZeroTech USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 cable is a highly versatile option that combines charging, data transfer, and video output into one reliable cable. With 20 gigabits per second transfer speeds, it handles large files, SSD backups, and phone-to-laptop transfers quickly, making it ideal for professionals and everyday users who need efficiency. Backward compatibility with older USB standards adds extra convenience. Its 4K at 60 Hz display support is another major advantage. Whether connecting a laptop to a monitor, TV, or projector, it delivers sharp visuals and smooth playback with true plug-and-play simplicity. This makes it useful for presentations, streaming, and remote work setups. Charging performance is strong as well, supporting up to 100W fast charging through the built-in e-marker chip. It can rapidly power MacBooks, iPads, phones, and gaming devices while maintaining safe and stable energy delivery. The cable also stands out for durability, featuring nylon braiding, gold-plated connectors, aluminum housing, and reinforced strain relief. Added support for CarPlay and Android Auto increases practicality for drivers. Overall, it's a premium all-in-one USB-C cable built for speed, durability, and convenience. Our third product is Silkland USB-C monitor display cable 3.3 feet. The Silkland USB-C display cable is an excellent high-performance choice for users who need one cable for charging, video output, and data transfer. Its standout feature is display support up to 8K at 30 Hz, 5K at 60 Hz, and 4K at 144 Hz, making it ideal for gaming monitors, creative workstations, and high-resolution office setups. Smooth visuals and sharp image quality make it especially valuable for modern USB-C monitors and portable displays. Built with USB 3.2 Gen 2 technology, it offers 20 gigabits per second transfer speeds, allowing large files, HD videos, and backups to move quickly. This makes it practical for SSDs, docking stations, and productivity accessories. Charging power is equally impressive, supporting up to 240W fast charging. It can efficiently power laptops, tablets, and smartphones, including MacBooks, iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, and more. This reduces the need for multiple chargers and cables. Durability is another strong advantage. The nylon braided design, aluminum shell, tinned copper interior, and 45,000 bend lifespan ensure long-lasting reliability. Combined with the smart e-marker chip for safe charging, this cable delivers premium speed, strength, and versatility. Now number 4, BenFi USB-C to USB-C monitor cable. The BenFi 4K USB-C cable is designed for users who want strong performance in video output, charging, and data transfer within a single reliable solution. Its highlight is 4K at 120 Hz and 4K at 240 Hz support, delivering ultra-smooth visuals with enhanced brightness, contrast, and color depth. This makes it ideal for high-refresh monitors, gaming setups, and creative work where every frame matters. Charging performance is equally solid, supporting up to 100W power delivery. It can efficiently charge laptops, tablets, and smartphones when paired with a compatible charger, making it a dependable everyday power solution for USB-C devices. For data needs, the USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard provides up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, allowing quick movement of files, documents, and media with stable performance. While it does not support media display in all configurations, its charging and data capabilities remain strong. Wide compatibility with devices like MacBook, iPad Pro, iPhone 15 Pro, Surface, and Samsung Galaxy series adds great flexibility. Combined with a soft, tangle-free silicone build and 18-month warranty, this cable offers durability, comfort, and long-term reliability. And our last choice is Jmox's USB-C to 3.5mm audio AUX jack cable. The USB-C to 3.5mm AUX cable is a practical and reliable solution for users who want to connect modern Type-C devices to traditional audio systems. It easily links smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other USB-C devices to car stereos, speakers, home audio setups, or headphones, offering seamless wired listening without extra adapters. One of its strongest features is hi-fi audio performance. The built-in advanced DAC smart chip ensures clear, high-definition sound with strong noise reduction, delivering richer detail and more balanced audio quality compared to standard analog adapters. This makes it a solid choice for music lovers who value sound fidelity. Durability is also well considered. The nylon-braided cable and reinforced strain relief allow it to withstand over 12,000 bends, ensuring long-term daily use without easy wear or damage. With broad compatibility across iPhone 15-16 series, Samsung Galaxy S and Note series, Pixel, OnePlus, iPad, MacBook, and more, it covers most modern devices. Its plug-and-play design adds convenience, making it a simple yet dependable everyday audio solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.